Hey everyone, welcome to this Valuecase release. Today we are releasing our AI template generator as well as our AI block picker. Super exciting. Let's get started. So in your template screen, just click create new template and you then will have to select create with AI. And this will fire up our new AI experience. You have to then select your use case. So what's the purpose of this template, onboarding, sales, other? Because we then have a trained AI agent that will basically work for this specific use case. So let's select onboarding here, and then you can choose either to write your own prompt or choose an example. Of course, we recommend to just start with an example to see how it works and see how a good prompt looks like. And then you just click next to generate your content preview. What the AI will do now is it will just figure out the pages it would want to put into this template, so you can review that before we actually generate the real thing, because it will take a few seconds, as you probably expect with AI. Okay, so we have 3 pages: welcome, onboarding plan, and resources. Quite nice, because that's exactly what we wanted. We have a low-touch onboarding as a use case, and we can now just click create template or go back and revisit the instructions if we want to, but I like this, so let's click create template. Now, what this will do is we'll start generate the actual thing. Because it will take a bit, you can of course go and just do something else while we are doing this. We are doing this in the background, and you will see here when it's at 100%, and then it will appear in your template list. So let's just cut this and then go back when we have the final template. All right, now we see the template is ready. We can either go to the template directly here on the top or just click open template in this tooltip. Now, here's our ready-made template. And as you can see, we have the pages it proposed, and then we have the full structure already built out, from welcome block to an onboarding plan with actual to-dos, with actual details on the description here. Of course, this is a simple low-touch example, but this is awesome to give you first inspirational ideas on how to set up a template, and you can play with these prompts a lot to generate quite cool things. Let's move to the next new feature, which is our new AI block creator and our new block picker. I'm already on a page here, and if I click now plus, you will see our new block picker. We completely redesigned this from the ground up. First of all, we now have clear sorting, so it's not just a collection of blocks anymore. You have content, projects, and collaboration, and it's clearly sorted. You can, as always, just click on a block to insert it. And we also worked on the block name. So what was an interactive list before is now an accordion. What was the testimonials block before is now the cards block. And it just makes it all much more clear. What I wanted to show you is the create block with AI section here. If you come here, you will see a very similar interface to the template creator, but now it's about creating blocks. And again, you can use one of our examples. So let me just use, for example, the agency intake form, right? So create an intake form for a performance marketing agency targeted at restaurants. Instead of just creating a template, this will now create one block. And again, let's click on create here and speed it up and see what it comes up with. There we go. In this case, we don't have a review step. It just will put the block in directly into your page. And you can see here our intake form. So it's restaurant name, contact person, contact email, location, marketing goals, current channels, services interested in. So this is really, really cool if you want to start brainstorming on what specific blocks you could use how. You can even ask it to create a custom onboarding plan for a specific product that you have, or you can even create a feature overview. Anything you can imagine basically is possible with this, and just much, much faster than before. We are even using this as a pro tip to, for example, copy like a list of 70 tasks out of a template that you have currently in Excel, and it would just create the whole action plan from your Excel plan in one go without you having to copy and paste everything. So it will really unlock a lot of efficiency in use cases and make it a lot simpler for you to create blocks very, very fast. And this is really our goal here. Our goal is to make it easier for you to discover new use cases, to discover new ideas to use Valuecase better. And also, of course, we will make this whole AI better over time, so it will just deliver better and better and better results. Now, we are really looking forward to seeing what you will do with it. Test it out, have a play, and just let us know if you've encountered any issues, if you have any feedback, or if you really love it. We would love to hear that as well. See you soon. Bye-bye.